Hi and welcome back, beautiful ladies. Do you ever wonder why your skin isn't improving? Even though you are following a proper skincare routine, buying expensive products, using them every single day, and still not getting enough results that we are expecting? Most of us are making some very simple skincare mistakes every single day, and the sad part is we don't even realize it. In this video, I'm sharing 5 skincare mistakes that might be secretly ruining your skin. But if you fix these today, you will start noticing healthier, clearer skin in just a few weeks. Just like them. And here is the proof, as I also stopped doing these mistakes for like few months and I got to see the result in just a few weeks. So I could not tell you how impressed I am because I did not buy any expensive product. I did not go for any therapy or anything, but still I got the result and the skin I wanted for the rest of my life. And so you can. So what are you waiting for? Let's talk about these mistakes that is going to save you and your pocket as well. So mistake 1, over exfoliating the skin. You must think exfoliating every other day makes your skin glow, right? And it feels smooth, dirt comes off and you get the instant glow. But let me be honest, this glow is temporary and the damage is the long term. Over exfoliating stripes away your skin's natural oil, weakens your barriers, and trust me, this is the one of the common mistakes skincare routine that everyone is following without even realizing that it could harm and makes your skin age faster. That's why people start noticing fine lines and wrinkles even in their mid 20s. So what you can do instead, exfoliate just 1 to 2 times a week and that's enough, and always moisturize afterwards. That way you will keep the glow without harming your skin for the future. Mistake 2, applying moisturizer on completely dry skin. Here is a mistake almost nobody realizes. Your moisturizer works best on damp skin, not on dry skin. If you wait too long after washing your face, the water evaporates and your moisturizer has nothing to lock on. The result, your skin feels dry again in just a few minutes. And you don't even realize how your skin is getting worse day by day just because of this simple skincare mistake. Here is what you need to do. After cleansing, pat your face gently but leave it slightly damp and then apply moisturizer. This way the moisturizer aids in hydration, makes your skin plump, soft and glow all day long. And trust me, you might be thinking that all these mistakes we have already listened through a lot of videos and every single day we hear the same mistakes from every single mouth, but still you don't follow them because you don't believe. But trust me, if I could change my skin from before to after, as you have already seen, I have attached so that you could see the proof as well. That's why I'm urging you so much to just follow these simple steps just for like 1 month and then you'll see the difference in yourself. And that's not costing you anything. Mistake 3, layering too many products at once. We've all seen those 7-step skincare routine on Instagram and all other social media platforms and thought I need to do that same to just glow and look the same. But here is the truth, mixing too many actives and using them on skin like retinol, vitamins and exfoliating the skin over and over is a recipe for breakouts and irritation on skin, which cause redness and sometimes also damage your skin barriers completely. A cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen. That's all you need for your skincare routine. So first step is cleansing with any of your favorite moisturizer or cleanser, which should be very skin friendly and a very gentle on your skin, which removes the dirt very gently, not harshly. And the second step would be moisturizing, of course with any of your favorite moisturizer. And the last one would be sunscreen on the daytime, and at the night moisturizer is just enough. And don't forget the lip balm. And here you go. Mistake number 4, sleeping with makeup or sunscreen on. This is one of the destroying habit that you're following without even realizing it could affect your skin so badly. Even if you use wipes, there are still residue left behind. And yes, sunscreen also needs to be fully washed off at night before going to bed. Leaving these on while you sleep clogs pores, dulls your skin, and even speeds up aging. Instead, always double cleanse, first with an oil cleanser, then with a gentle face wash. Your skin will breathe again and you will wake up feeling fresh and super beautiful glowing skin without even having any acne or breakouts. Mistake 5, dirty pillowcase and phone screens. This is the sneakiest cause of breakouts and acne prone skin. Think about it practically. You spend 7 to 8 hours every night on the same pillowcase and you touch your phone screen dozens of times a day. Both carries dirt, oil and bacteria so much that transfers straight to your skin, you don't even realize it. And what you need to change and fix about it, clean your phone screen daily with a gentle antibacterial wipe, or also you can use a simple Dettol with a tissue paper. Change your pillowcase once a week. the bad pillowcase could affect your skin in that way you can't even realize. And in the morning you wake up and see your skin getting a lot of pimples and acne and blaming your skin. No, it's that bad pillowcase. So change it now with the good one and drop to wash the bad one. Just stop doing these 5 skincare mistakes weeks or up to month. It depends on you, because if you once start doing this you will definitely see the results and you will keep doing this for your lifetime. So these were the 5 skincare mistakes you need to stop making right now. And guys, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest skincare tips and beauty videos. Also let me know in the comment section which skincare mistake you are still making. Stay happy and safe.